Is ivermectin really a wonder drug capable of saving the lives of severely ill COVID-19 patients? Armed with the findings of a few small-scale studies done overseas, Malaysian pro-Ivermectin groups, including some opposition MPs, are pressing the authorities to approve the use of this medication to treat COVID-19. The polemics surrounding ivermectin, an anti-parasitic drug most commonly used in veterinary medicine, gathered steam after a medical practitioner, in an interview with a local television station recently, supported the use of the drug in the treatment of COVID-19 as it is said to reduce the risk of death. However, a large number of medical practitioners in this country beg to differ, saying that the efficacy of the drug in treating COVID-19 has not been clinically proven. The Health Ministry's National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency has also announced that so far no products containing active ivermectin have been registered for human consumption in the country. Nevertheless, the differences in opinion among medical experts on the use of ivermectin to treat COVID-19, as well as the risk of taking it without a doctor's guidance, have not stopped some people from buying the drug from the black market. A tweet posted recently by Hospital Putrajaya consultant physician and nephrologist Dr. Rafida Abdullah more or less sums up the danger that awaits those who take ivermectin purportedly to prevent or treat COVID-19. In her tweet, she said she always comes across patients with complications involving ivermectin and that she has resigned herself to it. Meanwhile, Malaysian Pharmaceutical Society President Amrahi said a report by the UK-based Cochrane Reviews published on July 28 May shed some light on the debate concerning the ivermectin issue. He said the gold standard medical study cited by the report concluded that ivermectin was ineffective in preventing and treating COVID-19. Amrahi, a former head pharmacist at University Malaya Medical Center, said large-scale and comprehensive studies would have to be carried out before experts can draw conclusions on the safety and efficacy of ivermectin to treat COVID-19. Studies done overseas in the past only involved small sample sizes, with the researchers studying the use of ivermectin only as an additional treatment, he said. According to Amrahi, the promising findings from previous case studies and clinical trials have resulted in the off-label use of this drug. Off-label use refers to the use of pharmaceutical drugs for an indication not approved by the authorities concerned. Amrahi also lauded the Health Ministry's proactive step of embarking on a clinical trial to study the efficacy of ivermectin in the treatment of COVID-19. The ivermectin treatment efficacy in COVID-19 high-risk patients trial, which was approved by the Ministry's Medical Research and Ethics Committee on May 25, will involve 500 subjects from high-risk groups aged 50 and above admitted to government hospitals with moderate COVID-19 symptoms. The study is aimed at determining the efficacy of ivermectin in preventing the progression of COVID-19 to the more severe Category 4 and Category 5 in the subjects concerned. Ivermectin is approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Agency to treat people with intestinal strongyloidiasis, onchocerciasis and helminthiasis caused by parasitic worms, but the drug has to be taken under the guidance of a medical professional. Among the risks posed by ivermectin are dizziness, allergic reactions and seizures. It can also lead to coma and even death.